Welcome to EDU World Space.
Hello everyone. This problem is based on the concept of forces to be in equilibrium. For forces to be in equilibrium, vector addition of all forces at a given point must be zero. So this concept we are applying for solving this question. Now question is saying that we have to calculate the tension in each cable in equilibrium for weight of the crate to be 300 pound. So here this is given 300 pound. So we have to calculate the tension on the cable AC, AD and AB. For weight of 300 pound to be in equilibrium. So this is the problem. Now we are start solving it. I am marking. This is the force. This is the cable AC. This is the force FAC. This is the force FAB. And this is the force FAD. Each force has to be right in component form, unitary, in terms of I cap, J cap, K cap. By finding the coordinates of the points A, B, C and D, you can form the position vector AB, AC and AD, and multiplying with unit vector of magnitude you will get it. So one by one we are writing here force FAB. You may write force FAB is magnitude of AB force multiplied its unit vector. Now easily, by the concept of vector, easily we can form it. So FAB vector I am writing here, magnitude of FAB multiplied with unit vector. You should follow the diagram to form the AB unit vector. It would be minus 3I cap minus 6J cap minus 2K cap divided by its magnitude, that is minus 3 chi square minus 6 chi square plus minus 2 chi square. So this force would be minus 3 FAB divided by 7 I cap minus 6 FAB divided by 7 J cap minus, that is, sorry, I have written here wrong. This is plus. So plus 2 by 7 FAB K cap. Similarly, we will write the other forces. FAC force, magnitude of FAC to be multiplied with unit vector. So you may write FAC. We will form the AC vector. You have to follow the figure. It will be 2I cap minus 6J cap plus 3K cap divided by its magnitude 2 chi square plus minus 6 chi square 3 chi square. So on solving we can write 2 upon 7 FAC I cap minus 6 by 7 FAC J cap plus 3 by 7 FAC K cap. Now FAD force, this would be magnitude of FAD to be multiplied with unit vector of AD. So FAD into unit vector we are forming using the figure 0 I cap plus 3J cap plus 4K cap divided by 3 chi square plus 4 chi square. So it will be 3 by 5 FAD J cap plus 4 by 5 FAD K cap, and weight of the crate W. This could be written as minus 300 pound K cap. So for equilibrium, resultant of all these forces, that is summation of F must be 0, that is FAB plus FAC plus FAD plus weight must be 0. Substituting the value, we can write here minus 3 by 7 FAB I cap minus 6 by 7 FAB J cap plus 2 by 7 FAB K cap plus 2 by 7 FAC I cap minus 6 by 7 FAC J cap plus 3 by 7 FAC K cap plus FAD force 3 by 5 FAD J cap plus 4 by 5 FAD K cap minus 300 pound K cap. Now solve this equation. So you will get minus 3 by 7 FAB plus 2 by 7 FAC must be 0. This is equation 1. Minus 6 by 7 FAB minus 6 by 7 FAC plus 3 by 5 FAD must be 0. And third equation would be 2 by 7 FAB plus 3 by 7 FAC plus 4 by 5 FAD minus 300 equal to 0. So by solving, equations 1, 2 and 3, we will get force AB having the magnitude 79.2 pound, force AC having the magnitude 119 pound, and force AD is of 283 count. So this is the answer for this problem. Thanks for watching it.